In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove a vertical line in Tableau. If you've been working with Tableau for your data visualization needs, you might have come across instances where unwanted vertical lines appear in your charts. These lines can sometimes clutter your visualizations, making them less clear and harder to interpret. Today, I'll show you how to remove those lines to ensure your Tableau dashboards look clean and professional. First, we need to ensure that you're on the latest version of Tableau. To start, head over to tableau.com. This is where you can download the latest updates if needed. Keeping your software up to date ensures you have access to all the latest features and functionalities, which might also help prevent any unnecessary visual clutter like those pesky vertical lines. Once you're on the Tableau website, navigate to your recent projects. You can find this under the Recent section, which conveniently lists all the workbooks you've recently accessed. Click on the project where you want to remove the vertical line. It's always a good idea to double check that you're working on the correct file to avoid making changes to the wrong dataset. Now that you've opened your project, let's focus on the columns and rows section. This is typically where you'll adjust the positioning and orientation of your data within the visualization. To remove the vertical line, we need to switch the data in this section. What does this mean exactly? Well, vertical lines often appear because of how data is aligned or arranged. By switching or swapping the data placements in the columns and rows, you can effectively eliminate these lines. When you switch the data, observe how your visualization changes. This simple adjustment can not only remove the vertical line, but may also enhance the overall clarity of your chart. It's important to remember that every dataset is unique, so you might need to experiment a bit with the arrangement to achieve the best visual outcome. While these steps should help in most cases, remember that Tableau is a powerful tool with plenty of customization options. If you find that the vertical line persists, you might want to explore other formatting options available in the software. For instance, adjusting axis settings or exploring the formatting pane could provide additional solutions for your specific visualization needs. To wrap up, removing vertical lines in Tableau is a straightforward process once you know where to look. By visiting tableau.com, accessing your recent projects, and switching the data in the columns and rows section, you can clean up your charts and improve their readability. Don't hesitate to experiment with other settings if needed, as Tableau offers a wide array of options to tailor your data presentations just the way you want them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain clean and effective visualizations in Tableau. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other resources and tips for mastering Tableau. Happy visualizing!